Hello. So for this tutorial, okay, we will be covering shell decision making. Okay, so we will understand shell decision making using Linux while writing a shell script. There are some situation when you need to adopt one path out of the given two paths. Okay, so you need to make use of a conditional statements that allow your program to make correct decisions and perform the right actions. So Linux Shell supports conditional statements which are used to perform different action based on different conditions. So we will now going to understand two decision making statements on this given tutorial. So we have the if else statement and also the case esac statement. Okay, so let's go into create first a shell script file. Okay, so for the if else statement, okay, we have if else statements which are very useful on making statements which can be used to select an option from a given set of options. Okay, so the Linux shell supports the following form of if else statement. Okay, so the first one is we have the if fee statement. We have also if else fee statement. Then lastly we have if elif else fee statement. Okay, so the first if fee statement, this is actually a decision making statement wherein uh, if a certain condition will be true, it will just only to execute one block of statements. Okay, then for the second one, if else fee statement, so this is the decision making wherein we're going to have a two direction. It can be if the given condition will be true, it will going to execute a true block, otherwise or else it will execute the false block. Then for the if else fee statement, so this is the decision making wherein you're going to have an if else ladder of decision making. So if you are going to have like a multiple statement or a multiple conditional statement that you want to execute, so you will be using this if else ladder. Okay, so usually we call this one a ladder. Okay, so let us first have an example of the if fee statement. Okay, so this is the syntax on how are you going to use the if fee statement. Okay, so the syntax is so the keyword if, okay, followed by the expression or the condition. Usual expression is the condition. Then the word then followed by the statement or statements to be executed if the given expression will be true. So we call this one as the true block. Okay. Then to end this block, so you will be using the keyword fee. Okay. So let's have an example. So in here we're going to have, of course, we'll be starting typing this one by using this exclamation point bin /sh. Okay, so for example, I have a is equal to 10, then b is equal to 20. Okay, so in order to implement this one, I want to check if a is equal to b and also if a is not equal to b. So we will be implementing the different relational operator that we have discussed on our previous chapter. So if, then the expression, so space, don't forget the spaces there, $a space equal to space $b space, then closing square bracket, then the keyword then 1 2 3, so echo, I'm just going to echo a is equal to b. Okay, and after that is the word fee. Okay, so another, if like for example I want to check if a is not equal to b, so you can just add $a is not equal to $b. Okay, then so the true block is echo a is not equal to b. Okay, then terminate this one as fee. Okay, so let's save this one and let's try to check if it's correct. So chmod 777 a 006 dot sh. Okay, dot slash 006 dot sh. Okay, so a is not equal to b, so the only echo which displayed is the second conditional statement, because the first one is actually will return a result of false, so it will not going to execute the echo a is equal to b, since on our given code it says here that a is 10 and b is 20, so this will not be executed. So since this is the only statement which will produce a true result, okay, so that's the reason why it echoes this a is not equal to b. Okay, so the next one is the if else fee statement. Okay, so it's going to save this one and let's have again a nano 007.sh. Okay, so the syntax for this one, okay, bin sh. Okay, so same, this is if else fee statement. Okay, the syntax for this one, is if then the given expression or the condition, okay, then the then keyword, then the next one is statement or statements if, to be executed. Okay, we call this one as the true block, then followed by the keyword else. Okay, then statement or statements, okay, to be executed, and this will be the false block. Okay, then to terminate this decision making if else fee statement, okay, we're just going to use the keyword fee. Okay, so let's have an example. Okay, so the previous example, we have a is equal to 10, then b is equal to 20. Then if $a is equal to $b, okay, then so for the true block, I'll be echoing, okay, a is equal to b. A is equal to b. So that is the true block. Otherwise, so we have else echo, so we have a is not equal to b. Okay, then terminate this statement by using p. So let us just save this one and let us check. Okay, so chmod 007. Okay, then execute this one. 7. A is not equal to b. So it means by looking at the code again, you can see here a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. So a is not equal to b. So but if we're going to interchange it, like this will be 20 and this will be the 10, so or this is also 20. Okay, so let's save. Yes. Okay, then execute. A is equal to b. Okay, then lastly, okay, so we have the if else fee statement. So it's going to create another file. Okay, so for the if fee statement is actually a one-level advanced form of control statement that allows our shell script to make correct decision out of several conditions. Okay, so this is bin sh. Okay, then so this is the if elif else statement, else fee statement. Okay, so the syntax for this one, okay, the syntax is, so we have here if, then expression, okay, then we have the then keyword, okay, followed by, so we have here the statement or statements, statement or the statements to be executed. Okay, so this is actually a true block. Okay, true block for the expression given on the first if statement. Okay, then if it will be like false, so it can enter the elif. Okay, so elif then followed by another expression, say expression 2. Okay, then again you need to write the then keyword, then followed by statement or set of statements to be executed. Okay, so this is again a true block. Okay, so this is a true block for expression 1. Let's say this is expression 1. Then this is a true block for expression 2. Okay, then since this is a ladder, if you want to have another expression, like for example elif, okay, then the third expression, expression 3, so followed by the then keyword again. Okay, then so this will be the statements or group of statements to be executed. Okay, then again true block, the true block for, so this will be the true block for expression 3. Okay, so now if you want to execute a false block, so let's say you have only 3 expression to you want to test, so otherwise, so if it will be like a false block, you can just type here else, okay, then followed by the statement or the group of statements to be executed. So this will be the false block. Okay, so to terminate this one, so you're just going to add the fee keyword. Okay, so now let's have an example here. Let's say we have a is equal to 10, then we have b is equal to 20. Okay, so if then the expression $a is equal to $b, okay, then the then keyword, then we are going to echo a is equal to b, then so we have another expression like elif. Okay, so let's say $a is greater than $b. Okay, so again the then keyword, don't forget the then keyword, echo. So we have a is greater than b. Then if I want to have expression 3 to check, elif, okay, I want to check $A is less than, okay, $B, okay, then keyword, then echo A is less than B, okay, otherwise, so the false block, okay, so it's going to echo, okay, like, so we have none of the condition met, okay, then terminating this statement is by just adding p. Okay, so let's try to save this and run. Okay, so we're going to have chmod, so 008, okay, then we have, let's check, 008, so A is less than B. Okay, so if we're going to look at the code, so we have here, okay, so A is not equal to B, it is not also greater than, so the A less than B was executed. So if I am going to interchange this 20 then 10, okay, so save this one and try to execute, you will see A is greater than B. Then if I will be like changing it to both value or same value, like A is 10 and B is also 10, so save this one, so we're going to have here, say, so A is equal to B. Okay, so now if we're going to have like, I am going to change this one instead of equal, okay, I'll be changing this one into not equal, okay, so it means not equal, so we are expecting that none of the condition is actually met. Okay, so let's check, so none of the condition met. Okay, so we're going to continue this part of our tutorial on our next tutorial. So if you have any question, you can message me so that I can answer all of your concerns and questions. Thank you very much for listening and see you on our next tutorial.